Hey everyone, it's Travis once again down at the Steel Magnolia, doing more modifications to our 2010 Trailmanor 3023. Get those numbers right. This is a rack and we ordered it off of Amazon, and I'm going to provide a link to it below. We've done a couple of little modifications to it. So over in this corner next to the hanging closet is where we normally sit our microwave oven. And in our old Trailmanor, the previous Trailmanor, I had built a shelving unit that went between these two. But I have found something that I think is going to work out a whole lot better. And this is it. Now, this is a folding rack. It only weighs about 7-8 pounds. Okay, and when you're ready to open it up, it basically comes out, goes down, and I'm going to show you the locking mechanism. This pushes down and locks it into place. Okay, now it originally comes with pull handles to go up here, so they come up and they extend out on each side. So it's like a cart that you can roll around. It comes with wheels originally. I have removed all of those because I don't need that, and I did not want to have these handles up top. So this is how it's going to go in. It sits up here, slides back into place, and this gives me a great place to sit my microwave and other things. Instant shelving unit. Now, when I took the wheels off of it, or just didn't put the wheels on it, this is a 1/2 inch thick by 3.5 inch board. You can buy these online, or you can get them at Lowe's, and I'll try to provide a link to it below as well. But I cut it so that it would fit up and over this, because I was wanting to get it back as far as possible, because the further back it goes, the more room you have out here on the countertop. Now, on the left side, I mounted it on the outside edge. On this side, up against the closet, I mounted it on the inside, and I did that so that there would be no way for it to fall down in the crack here. Just a little safety thing. So that's pretty much it right there. I'm going to take and pull it down and fold it up and show you how easy this goes. So this should not be any more difficult than doing anything else that we do when we're folding up our Trailmanor. So that comes up, this lifts up, everything folds together, and this is it. And that's going to be fairly easy to store for transport, either on the sofa or, well, on the other sofa. So, hope you find this beneficial. Again, I'll post links below. All the support is appreciated. Hey, thanks. This is Travis down at the Steel Magnolia.